Is everybody finished? Okay, are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, let's try to answer now the true or false part. Okay, for number one, please read. Number one.
Yeah, bro. Heritage site in country.
Okay, number one, there are World Heritage Sites in 200 countries. Is it true or false?
Wow.
Okay, let's check. The correct answer is false. Okay, there are World Heritage Sites in 200 countries. The answer is false. How about number two? Please read. Everybody read number two. Okay, a World Heritage Site can only be one building. True or false?
Wow.
Okay, the correct answer would be okay, true. A World Heritage Site can only be one building. It's true. Number three. Everybody read. Bagan, Myanmar. A new natural site is in Bagan, Myanmar. True or false?
True.
Okay, let's check if it's true or false. The correct answer is false.
False.
Okay, it's false. Next, Paraty, Brazil is an example of a mixed site. True or false? Are you sure? Let's check. True. Okay, the correct answer is letter T, or true. Number five. Everybody read. 1, 2, 3, go. Vienna.
Vienna is
Okay, Vienna is in danger because of development. True or false?
false.
Okay, let's check. The correct answer is false. Okay, next. Everybody read Europe. North America has more natural sites than cultural sites. Okay, true or false? Huh? What is your answer? Okay, the correct answer is false. Next, number 7. Everybody read, boys and girls. 1, 2, 3, go.
There are 100 total sites in Africa.
Okay, there are about 100 total sites in Africa. The correct answer is? Okay, true. Next, number 8. Okay, the Arab states have more cultural sites than natural sites. True or false? Okay, the correct answer is letter T, or true. Then the last number. Okay, please read. 1, 2, 3, go.
The author's purpose is
Okay, the author's purpose is to entertain the reader. True or false? I'm sorry. The correct answer is
false.
false. Okay, who got perfect? Okay, very good. 90% of the students got perfect? Wow, that's very good. Okay, since we are running late, and it's 5 minutes before time, okay, we will continue our next lesson, another activity tomorrow. Okay? Any questions so far? Do you have any question? Any question? Okay, none so far. That's all for today. Goodbye, students.
Everybody, bye. I like you, teacher.
Okay.